Hi people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review. I don't know what this is called. Clean and dry makeup brushes in seconds. That's what it is. Okay, so before we begin, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video and you want to see more. Okay, so for Christmas, my twin sister bought me an epic gift. She bought me this brush cleaning kit. Amazing. On the side of the box you've got all the attachments. This is a knockoff from the original product which was called the Stylpro. So let's take a look at the actual thing. So this is how it's meant to be stored, or I assume it's meant to be stored, and this is how I store it. Okay, so you get the bowl, and this is really good. This comes apart, and what I usually do, you can see it's got like water stains on it. It's because it's been in the dishwasher, because I've put it in the dishwasher when I finished using it. Okay. Clicks back in, so I really like the fact that this top bit comes off. The original Stylpro, the bowl is glass and this is plastic, but I feel that I prefer the plastic version rather than the glass version. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think. Yeah, 7 rubber attachments, and these fit all the brushes that you, well, they're meant to fit all the brushes that you may own. This bit goes in here. They say push it all the way through. I've got a brush here that I can demonstrate what it actually does. Okay, but I'm gonna insert a video. Whoops, see, that's what happens if it's not put in properly, but I don't know if it's gonna, yeah, there you go. So the whole idea is that you fill this up with water, you dunk it in, bring it out, spin it, and this spinning motion is what dries the brush. So yeah, I'm gonna slot in the tutorial video here. I'm using washing up liquid, but you can use shampoo, conditioner, rubbing alcohol, even a shop bought brush cleaner. Ensure that you do not use boiling hot water. Use lukewarm water because you do not want to melt the bowl. And also fill to the line that I've shown you in the video. It's important that you select the right attachment for your brush because you don't want it wobbling around like it did earlier on in the video, and also make sure that the brush is secure in that device. Now I'm going to dunk it a few times in the solution, and that's so that the detergent or the degreasing agent can get right into the brush and give it the best opportunity to clean. Now leave the brush to spin in the solution for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then once you're happy, lift the brush up just below the rim so that it dries. Now the reason for this is that you don't want it spraying all over you if you was to lift it straight out. So do that. I mean, that's common sense, but I just thought I'd mention it. The spinning motion is what dries the brush. Look how clean that has come out. Now me, a darker skinned girl, I can't really say fairer than that. That's brilliant. The next brush I'm going to clean is the mankiest brush that I own. I literally have never washed this. I've had it for about 2 years and it's just the most filthiest brush that I own, and I wanted to show you the dirtiest brush so I can give it the best review on here. So I'm dunking this brush in, getting it right in there, and I'm leaving it in the water for about 20 to 30 seconds, giving it a right good spin. Now I'm going to lift it out. The brush is soaking wet, and I want to watch around the rim so that I know all the water is coming off, because I literally don't want water over me. And even if it does spray over you, it's like a little bit of spray. It's not like it's going to soak you, but I still don't want it. Mold it back into shape. Now look at that brush, it's clean. This is an eyeshadow brush that I use quite regularly. Now these don't take that long to dry, but the brush comes out really well. Now I'm just going to let you know that this brush cleaner costs between £9 and £15. You can purchase it from AliExpress or Wish. I will leave the links down below. They recommend that you wash your brushes every 2 to 4 weeks with the system. I use it on a weekly basis or as and when I need it. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And with my channel this year, it's not going to be any sort of theme, but it's just going to be all the stuff that I enjoy, little things, stuff like that. Whenever I have an idea. Take care, bye.